G'day people on the YouTube. My name is Chursk15 and say hello to my new friend Peach White. I'm gonna ask something from these guys. So, G'day, would you like to have some pizza? Alright, so I think we have a deal. Yes, the other one is for the killer. The Peach White always teams up with the killers to get them friendly. Those are very nice names they got there. I will be ready now. Peach White will always help teammates. Peach White is for fun. Peach White will show you. Yes, this creates one more sacrificial hook if it's a letter. Makes sense in reality. Oh, we have a lot of customers today. Oh, we have all the customers today. This will be very good for my pizza business. Okay, as you can see, I have a pizza in my hand, but I need to reunite so I get all the points. Okay, thank you for the points. Now I will show. We here. Wait, no. Peach White it was not ready for this sudden encounter. Where is the guy? Where? Peach White is frightened. Peach White is always safe. No one can trick the master Peach White. Someone already fell down because he didn't order pizza. You need to order pizza in order to survive. And if you ordered pizza, give it to the killer. The killer will be happy. But killer doesn't like bananas, so don't take that on your pizza. It seems those two didn't want too much pizza, and that's why they got down so suddenly. But Peach White might save them. But we are going to see. Peach White is going to save everyone because he gives pizza. Peach White is an awesome guy. You know, Peach White is a distraction. He can go to the closet as well. It's the Closet White. And uncloset guy, it's the Peach White. You know, everyone likes Peach White. As you can see, we found an interesting object called a generator. And it is close to the hooked one, sadly. And the hooked one is in the basement, so which is not very good for Peach White, because Peach White doesn't deliver pizza there. Because he has heard that the ghosts will grab the pizza. And White doesn't like that, because the ghosts don't pay. If you suddenly find a friendly wraith, you can sell the pizza to him, and then the friendly wraith will be even more glad to give you points. Now, as you can see, someone just entered the chamber. Well, not the chamber exactly, but Peach White will go help. Peach White will help everyone. Peach White must be the distraction. Peach White will give pizza. Delicious pizza to the trapper. Trapper will like. I will show you in a second. In a matter of any second. Okay. As you can see now, the killer is on the move. The killer, Killer, do you want the pizza? You want a pizza? Yeah, go there. There's a pizza over there. Yeah, you should go there. No, I don't get this. Why is the friend not saving? The friend did not save the hooked one, even though she had a lot of time. No, good day, Trapper. Would you like to have pizza? Trapper, would you like to... Oh, you didn't want to have a pizza? Oh, I get that. It seems you didn't want to have a pizza. I understand. Not everyone wants a pizza. But I will try. I will try to give you pizza in the future. I need to go back to the future to get the pizza to him. Okay, there's no traps here. Good. Peach White was make pizza in this generator. But Peach White, his manager doesn't like it because if the manager has seemed to know where we are at, but no worries for Peach White. Peach Peter Dwight knows his strategies. Pizza can even make the manager a very nice person. As you can see, we have an amazing illusion here, and Buikasa. And that happened, you know? Peter Dwight has once again distracted the killer, and as you can see, the trapper likes to camp. As you can see, the trapper is coming back for some stupid odd reason that I don't even know why, but the killer is very oddly close to the middle building all the time, so it's not very good for Peter Dwight, because Peter Dwight can't escape that way. Peter Dwight needs to move. It is his destiny. Now Peter Dwight is on the move. Now he will look for the exit. The exit shall be revealed soon. But where can we find the exit? You have no idea. But I think Peter Dwight will find it sooner or later. You just need to keep an eye out. Why is that fence? I think this fence is a very good design. Oh, someone's opening the exit. As you can see, the Peter Dwight has to leave this place because the Wraith has ordered some pizza as well. But we will wait for our friends now. We will see if the secret shall be revealed. Now we will wait for the trapper if he still wants to order some pizza. We will see if he... Oh. Krashavchik is in trouble. We need to help. But will Dwight be able to save her? This will be revealed in the next episode. As you can tell, oh. Go! Peter Dwight will save. Peter Dwight. Oh, we're gonna play Hillbilly theme here. Not really. Peter Dwight doesn't like that music. It is a game. It is called a game, you know, because Peter Dwight will never be caught by the trapper, because I will get hit. But he doesn't have no one escapes death, so he sucks. And that was it. Peter Dwight once again escaped because the trapper didn't like the pizza. But we will see if he likes the pizza in the next episode.